everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'll be back to lock maintenance in a bit, but right now it's time to share my #1 tip for a flawless face, with or without makeup, and that tip is exfoliate. I feel like so many of us know all about exfoliation, but we don't do it, but I promise you, exfoliation will transform your face. Here, I'm using the Spin Brush by Vanity Planet. If you're a long-time viewer of mine, then you've seen me use this brush in the past many times, and it's still a go for me. It comes with a bunch of attachments, so you're getting more for your money. There's the Daily Cleansing Facial Brush, which has soft bristles for daily use. The Exfoliating Facial Brush, which has firm bristles, and I recommend using about once a week. The Pumice Stone Attachment for calluses, I guess on your heels, maybe on your elbows and knees if you suffer from that. And the Body Brush, which is a large and firm brush for bathing. So in this video, I'm fresh out the shower, but here's a demo. It takes AA batteries and it spins, so you don't have to exude a lot of energy in scrubbing, and also you don't have to use that much time. Don't skip your armpits if you deal with dark underarms. You may need to exfoliate. So exfoliating is not just great for your face, it's also great for your body. Now I'm using the soft brush attachment to clean my face. Because my skin is so soft, it's really all I need for exfoliating my face. The firmer attachment I can use just once a week at most, but you'll see what works best for you once you get your brush. You can get 70% off the entire set with my code SPIN4KEISHA at my.vanityplanet.com/spin4Keisha. Definitely get yours and let me know how convenient it is and how it's upgrading your skincare routine. In this video, I'm in a hotel in LA for BeautyCon, and this brush helped me to feel more confident to run into subscribers with and without my makeup. When using a face brush, I prefer to use a gentler face wash and not one with micro beads or micrograins, because I feel like that can heighten your risk to potentially cut your skin. It's just too much. So I use a gentle face wash, and also you don't have to brush for a long time. Remember, it's spinning, so it's doing a lot of the work for you. See how smooth it left my skin? Exfoliating takes off the top layer of dead and dull skin, leaving your skin super smooth and ready for moisturizing. You can obviously leave your face as is, or you can go ahead and put on your makeup. So in the rest of this video, I'll be doing a quick face. So I'm using COVERGIRL Full Spectrum Foundation. I realized that I spent a lot of time in the sun while I was in Miami about a week ago, and then here in California. So my foundation is not quite right. It's a bit too light, which sucks, but it doesn't ruin my face completely. I go ahead and fill in my brows with IMAN Cosmetics Perfect Eyebrow Pencil. That's one of my go-tos. It's just really convenient since it has the brush attachment on the end with the sharpener in the cap, so that's perfect. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Again, this is usually my highlighting shade, but my tan said not today. Now I'm playing around with 2 eyeshadow palettes by COVERGIRL in the Full Spectrum collection. I used 2 lighters because glow is life. Too bad this video didn't quite capture the true glow that was my face in this moment. But I used a cheap one from the beauty supply store, and then I used AVON True Color Highlighter in Moonlit. I use a little blush by Arbonne, and I do love this brush. I really do. I love this blush. But I can't say I recommend it morally. And if you want to know why that is, leave me a comment below and I'll respond. I'm not going to talk about that in the video right now. Too controversial for today. But yes, I don't really recommend their products. And lastly, I'm using a clear gloss by Revlon. Gotta keep a clear gloss on deck because it's always a goal. Actually, Revlon just came out with a bunch of new glosses, and a lot of them are shimmery, and no, not shimmery in like a childish way, like, you know, like little girl makeup. No, they're like really nice. So I definitely recommend the new line of Revlon's lip glosses. Definitely check them out, probably in a drugstore near you. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Vanity Planet, for sponsoring this video. And remember, you can get 70% off the spin brush and all that it comes with my code SPIN for Keisha. The link is right below. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.